Hello! To add a Google Assistant to Power Key on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you will have to go into the settings. From here scroll all the way down and actually scroll up a little bit and go into the Google services. From here select all services and go into search, assistant and voice, and from here scroll down, go into the Gemini and go to the Google Assistant, and here you have to scroll down until you find this option, Digital Assistants from Google. Go in there and you simply have to select the Google Assistant. It is also available in this Gemini actually. Oh, I misclicked something. As you go into Gemini and actually have Gemini enabled, you can also find this option right here, all the way down, Digital Assistants from Google. And make sure to select the Google Assistant. And from here you will have to go back to the settings, go into the advanced features and go to the side button. And from here go into the long press, and right here you need to have this digital assistant selected. And as you go into the settings, there are more recommended AI assistants actually, so make sure that you have this Google one selected. And as you press and hold the power key right now, here we have the Google Assistant. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.